Hey, good morning, everybody. I just want to post a short little video to sort of explain the directions for today's assignment. Um, there's a couple of things I just wanted to point out. First off, in Google Classroom, you'll see there's two things that you need. There's this Google slide presentation that everybody will have access to, and then there's this article here called "What Would a Socialist America Look Like?" Um, You'll notice in the Google slide, there are a total of 7 slides. There are headings for each one. So like here, it's if it's good enough for the Nordics, it's good enough for us. There's call it what you want. It's about making communities more equal. So there's 7 slides, one counting the title slide. If you look at the title for each slide, so like I'm going to pick on this one here. Democratic socialism is about expanding democracy. If you come over to the article, this is a fairly long article, but you're not going to need all of it. There's sort of a little intro to the article, just explaining like what socialism is, how we sort of view it. But then there are sort of little opinion pieces, just sort of like mini essays explaining what socialism is and like what it would look like in America. So I'm looking for the one that says democratic socialism is about expanding democracy. And here's this one. So it's not a long essay, just a short little essay here. Um, I just wanted to point that out to you. So if you are going to complete this slide here, I want you to summarize the opinions of this essay author explaining what socialism in America would look like. So this one here is talking about how it's expanding democracy, and you would use only this David Duhalde's opinion and this little bit of an essay here, where you're just going to summarize what socialism in America looks like based off of his opinions. And you'll see that there's a lot on there. I only picked a handful, so like I'm gonna pick one of the last ones here. Democratic socialism means democratic ownership over the economy. If I scroll down, it is this one here. So it's Peter Goen talks about this. Um, I'm going to put this in the typed instructions. Fourth and sixth periods, you guys only need to pick 2 of these slides to complete. So I don't care which two, there's really 6 to pick from. You pick 2. Seventh period, I want you to do 3. So just a little bit extra for seventh period. If you have any questions, just reach out and ask. Thanks, bye.